everyone, welcome to Compare Smart Rings, the one-stop site that makes choosing the perfect smart ring fast and frustration-free. We pull specs, prices, and real-world testing into one dashboard, so you can compare rings side by side, read deep-dive reviews, and stay on top of breaking smart ring news in just a few clicks. Here's the site's main feature, the comparison table. Find any ring you're curious about and hit the Compare button. It drops straight into the table up top. You can add 1, 2, or multiple rings, and the table will instantly line up all the specs, like battery life, sensors, and pricing, so you can see everything at a glance. Want the best deal right now? Just press Find Deal under any ring, and we'll fetch the lowest live offer for you. If you want to remove any smart rings, just click the X button on any given ring. If you want a more in-depth look at any ring, just click the ring and then hit View Full Review. Or if you'd rather scroll through all our reviews in one place, just click the Full Reviews tab in the top navigation. To stay up to date with the latest smart ring launches, updates, and research, click the News tab. You can use the search bar to find specific topics, like sleep tracking or a specific brand. And you can also use that same search to dig through our reviews. If you're ever confused about what any of the sensors do, just head to the Specs Help section. There, you'll find plain English explanations of every spec, plus a handy list of frequently asked questions. And if you ever need help using the site or have questions, feel free to reach out to us on Instagram or Facebook at Compare Smart Rings. We're always happy to help. That's Compare Smart Rings, quick comparisons, instant deals, thorough reviews, and up-to-date news. Everything you need to pick the ring that fits your life. Thanks for watching, and happy comparing!